Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review and we are covering 5 best waterproof cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is GoPro Hero9 Black Waterproof Action Camera. If you need a waterproof camera to take with you on active trips, think kayaking, waterskiing, or diving, you should seriously consider the GoPro Hero9. The camera is roughly the size of a binder clip, but don't let the small size fool you. It's got a 20MP lens and can shoot 5K video at 30 frames per second. The higher the number, the smoother the video. It doesn't have any internal storage. You'll need a microSD card, but you can connect the camera to Wi-Fi and live stream video in 1080p. The Hero9 GoPro also added a front screen to the camera, so you can frame your selfies, or monitor your recording from all angles. Unlike other action cameras, you can also remove the lens, and exchange it for a better one down the line, extending the life of this camera significantly. All of the cameras in this guide support OIS, but GoPro uses a custom, Hypersmooth 3.0 technology to reduce even more jitters than a traditional camera. It has also Super Photo, an image technology that makes colors and shadows look significantly more realistic. The only real downside to using the Hero9 are inherent in many action cameras. Its small size makes it difficult to hold, and it doesn't have flash, which can make getting the right shot a lot more difficult under certain conditions. This camera can be used in water as deep as 33 feet, but GoPro doesn't give an official drop test rating. Still, if you've settled on an action cam as the right waterproof camera for your needs, the Hero9 is an excellent choice. Number 2. Our second best pick is Olympus Tough TG6 waterproof camera. If you're totally set on getting a traditional waterproof camera, and want one with virtually no compromises, the Olympus TG6 is the correct choice. Olympus says the camera can be used under 50 feet of water, and dropped from a height of 7 feet. Its 12MP camera can record video at 4K at 30 frames per second, or 1080p at 60 frames per second. It has 5 modes specifically for taking photos underwater, and its lens is hermetically sealed to avoid getting fogged up, so your shots won't look blurry. The TG6 has 3 underwater white balance modes to ensure the colors of your shots and videos aren't blown out, and an AR, anti-reflective, coating over the lens to reduce unwanted elements like flares from messing up your shots. These more advanced camera features help the TG6 stand out, and many of them are designed to make all of your pictures look sharp, not just the ones you take under the waves. This camera's downsides come from its lack of extras. There's no Wi-Fi mode, no support for voice commands, and no internal storage. The TG6 is all about nailing the basics, and photo features that work behind the scenes to help you achieve the best shots. Number 3. Our third best pick is Nikon W300 Waterproof Underwater Digital Camera with TFT LCD. The Nikon Coolpix W300 strength is that it's a good all-round performer with a great balance of features. It's got an excellent 5x zoom, a great quality 16-megapixel sensor, GPS, barometer and electronic compass, plus 4K UHD video and Wi-Fi with Bluetooth for background image transfer to your phone. The Olympus Tough TG5 is roughly the same price or a little more, for which you get a brighter, but shorter zoom, more controls, better continuous shooting, and more advanced shooting modes. Alternatively, if the W300's 4K video and snap bridge aren't doing it for you, think about the still available Coolpix AW130, which you can pick up for a fraction of the cost with the same zoom and underwater credentials. Waterproof, freeze-proof, shockproof and dustproof adventure camera with extra capabilities. Stunning high-resolution photos, 4K Ultra HD videos, time-lapse videos, super-lapse videos and music montages. 5x optical zoom Nikon lens with telephoto power and hybrid VR image stabilization. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, e-compass, altimeter, depth gauge and more. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fujifilm FinePix XP140 waterproof digital camera. If you're planning on taking pictures while taking some deeper dives, you'll want Fujifilm's FinePix XP140. The company says this camera works up to 82 foot underwater, and is shockproof from drops of up to 5.9 feet. That makes it the most durable waterproof camera in our guide. It has a 15MP lens that can shoot full 4K video, which puts it ahead of the pack in terms of video resolution. The camera has 16 GB of internal storage, which it can use when you fill up your SD card. The FinePix XP140's signature feature is its back-illuminated sensor, capable of delivering excellent photographs even in the water, or in low-light conditions. The image stabilization system also controls camera shake, meaning your images will come out less blurry if you're not used to taking pictures underwater. The intelligent optical zoom is also pretty solid, which doubles the zoom range without disintegrating the image quality like other digital cameras. The mix of durability and technology make this an excellent waterproof camera. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is SeaLife Micro 3.0 64 GB, 16 MP, 4K underwater camera. As you might have guessed from the brand name, SeaLife specializes in underwater photography. So for those with the budget, the SeaLife Micro 3.0 is a top-notch choice for capturing everything under the sea. The Micro can handle depths of up to 200 feet and has 3 built-in underwater color correction filters. It has a Sony 16MP CMOS sensor and 100-degree wide-angle lens for capturing everything in your field of view. It can record 4K video at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 120 frames per second, and has Wi-Fi for transferring your photos and videos to your phone. Its ISO maxes out at 3200, though, so if you plan on heading to the darkness of the deep sea, you might want to purchase it as a kit with 1 or 2 of SeaLife's Sea Dragon lights. 3-hour battery life. Sealed construction. Will output raw images. Low ISO. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.